say hello to the all-new water wicking system. Now, what is a water wick and why would you need it? A water wick is perfect for those pots with no holes, for people that are going away on holiday, and for the time poor plant parent, because you simply just top up your pot and away you go. Here's how it works. Make sure your string is attached correctly to the clip. Insert the string and clip into a hole in the bottom of your nursery grow pot. Make sure the string is hanging down. Fill the bottom of your sleeve or planter with a few centimetres of water. Place the potted plant with the wick back into the planter, ensuring the strings touch the water, but the bottom of the planter does not. If the sleeve or planter you're using has a flat bottom and your pot cannot hover over the water, there are ways to get around this. For this type of pot, it's good to reuse a container lid to elevate your plant from the water. We're using a recycled lid jar, but you could use whatever you like. Your plant will wick up water using the water wick whenever it's thirsty. All you have to do is make sure there's water in the pot. The best thing about WaterWick, other than them watering themselves, is that you don't have to actually take your plants out of their planters or sleeves to water.